Good afternoon. It's Saturday. Well, it's still good morning, I guess, but it's Saturday. It's LinkedIn. There's not a whole lot going on, so I thought maybe we do a quick Saturday skills session. This is going to be about how to identify a font and use it to build a brand toolkit in Canva. And then next week, we'll explore how to use that to create a post. So let's just say your company has a logo and you have no idea what the fonts are. I start with myfonts.com. Here you can upload your company's logo. We're going to go with Phoenix Occupational Health today, one of the social media accounts I manage. There's a primary word. That looks good. So they're off. Futura looks like the first suggestion. So let's go in here. Let's take Canva. There's the word Phoenix. I'm going to put our logo up here so we can compare. I'm going to highlight this. If I hit these three dots, I can make it all caps. All right, that's not really all that far off, but let's try their suggestion, which was a Futura. Joseph Sands regular. That looks pretty good. I actually like that. That one is fairly close as well, but I prefer the Joseph Sands regular. So now I'm going to come into my home screen in Canva, go down to my brand toolkits, and I'm going to add a new toolkit. Brand kit, we're going to call it Phoenix Occ Health. We're going to create it. First thing we're going to do is upload that logo, and that's actually going to give us a pretty good color palette. Yes, we're going to keep those. Now we're going to come over to our brand fonts. For our header, we're going to choose a font, Joseph Sands regular. What about our subheading? Let's go back here. Let's back up, and let's highlight the wording down here. See what it has to say about that. Looks like here we have a sans font. So I'm going to come back in here. I'm going to change this back to upper and lower case. I'm going to type occupational health. And I'm going to try my sans fonts. Over here in the fonts, I'm going to hit sans. And I've played with this a little bit, so I know that what I kind of like is that one, or that one looks really close. Occupational health, Canva sans. That's pretty close. So let's go back to our brand kit. And for our secondary font, we're going to choose a font. We're going to say Canva sans. All right, now we have a brand toolkit that we can use to create posts. And I'm going to get into how to create a post very quickly and simply that looks like this next week. So that's been Saturday skill session. Hope you learned something.